Hello, this is Cookie Lover, so let's get started. We're playing Catbird again, and I'm sorry, but Tip Top will be discontinued because I've got two other really good games coming on. So come on, let's get straight into the game. Okay, last time we were stuck here. Sorry. So, let's see. I think that's like you jump on it when the buzz cuts. Yeah. It seems pretty easy now you think of it. It's kind of hard because you need to get it done. So then that's on the thing. Okay, let's not go that way. It's a lake of poisonous or bleach or rotten milk. So now I just need to jump across maybe. So when you pull that thing, it might yeah, okay, that's good. We're on to the next level. No, it's a lot easier than it was last time. Ooh, this one seems hard already. So we have to get it on time perfectly. No. This is really hard. I might have to create, if anybody wants to see any PC games, then I might need to create another YouTube channel. So if you do want to see any PC games, then just request in the comments. And oh god, it died already. Okay, let's go. How am I meant to jump across here? I don't understand. So hard. Constantly dying. Okay, I've only died 4 times, it's not that bad. But still, it's hard. Hey, done it. Take back what I said. Take back what I just said. Like, yes, weird. Yeah, that's right. Okay. This is so hard. Okay, I think we have to wait when they meet up into the middle, which is obviously what everybody else is thinking. But it's harder than you think because they move quite quickly. And the catbird, jumps quite slowly. You see what I mean? Back. I can't get back to where I was before. I wonder if I end up doing it or not. I really don't know what you're meant to do. If there's some easier way, like you could tunnel through rocks or something. And that would be loads easier. Seriously, I don't know what you're meant to do. It's too hard. I might have to quit soon. You don't know how many jump cuts I've done. Because I just can't get through it. It's so slow and hard. Remember, while I'm trying to do it, remember to suggest what any games you want me to play in the comments, or like whether I should create another channel, keep this one, and like that one keep like Cookie Lover PC. So I could do a sort of well, PC games. And maybe by Christmas I might be able to do Minecraft. I might be able to. I give up. I give up. I'm still going to carry on though. How? Why is it so quick and why am I so slow? This is just not fair. Not fair at all. Sorry for what kind of ad there. Oh, I did it. Drop. That's the first I've got and I died. Oh, that's annoying. Yes. Yay, I did it. On to the next one. This one's called solving. I already see this one's going to be hard. So I'm going to stop right here. So, wait. In a little bit, I'm going to stop. Goodbye. Well, it's kind of awkward to say. Goodbye. Bye.